No, look at the snow. Why? No. Please like us and follow us. Always like us and follow us. Please like us, follow us. This is the night in the Munich, driving around to know how the weather is. Or the very catastrophe. Want to go? Yes. Okay, let us be going. Nah, hey. Nah, do you see how the weather is? The weather is too bad, yeah? Hey. The weather is too bad. Too bad. Look at snow. In the water, what snow of money? Raise it up. Come for your mouth. Go. Hey. Please like Yamo. Like Yamo. Do you see me well? Like Yamo. Press like and subscribe. And on each other you go. We need money. Send us money. Send us any gift. Okay? Thank you so much. Look at the weather. I'm moving around. Traveling in winter. This is Germany. Munich. It is not easy, but we thank God. Look at how the weather is. Oh. Look at how the weather is. 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 Look at outside. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy, yeah? It's not easy. It's not easy. We are feeling cold. Even inside the car, I'm still wearing jackets. But I have winter. I have heater. It's no problem, okay? Current. We are stopped by the red light. Red light. It's not easy. Before I don't want to go out, but I still just don't know what to do. I change again and still go out. Okay? Please like us. Like it by you. Like us and follow us. Always. The weather will do catastrophe. But it's okay. What can happen? The snow is still falling. This is winter. This is winter. If you look at tree is now white. Like white Christmas. And this is almost towards February ending, eh? Next week will be February ending. So what can we do? There's nothing we can do. Everybody is trying. We are driving little by little. We are driving little by little. There is nothing anybody could do. Please like us, follow us. Okay? Oh! The weather is so cool. Winter. In Nigeria, I think rain is falling off. Eat. Manage it, okay? Manage everything. Anywhere you are, manage what you have. Enjoy what you have. Enjoy what you have. Look at the way we are enjoying our own with cold. Everybody in the corner watching. Everybody in the corner watching. Everybody in the corner watching. Yes. We are doing what we know how to do best. We are doing what we know how to do best. Don't look at the police car following us at the back before. We did not even know, but then too. let us wait. Yes, please like us, follow us, keep on enjoying with us. It's a winter time, which is normal. Anybody that is in Europe is normal life. This is part of our life. Look around. Everywhere is heavy snow. Thank you so much. Send us money. I need it. We need money. Nobody need money. Yeah? Send them, show them outside. Let them see what's happening. Let them see. Oh yes. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Baba God, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba God. Let them see it. Let them still see me. Like a one more. He must like us. Yes. The weather, very, very. That is so. In the morning, I show you during the daytime, but now it's more thicker. The snow is more thicker, more heavier, and it's still falling. By the time we wake up tomorrow morning, all this sky you will not see it again. 3 or 4 o'clock. If you want to see this small video, please like, comment. And tell us yes, you want to see more. Okay? That is good. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Baba God. Look at the thick forest. Thank God. Please like us. Please like and share and subscribe. Okay? Press like. Always press like. Show them around again like this. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.